AMC-6 single component. Fluxgate Magnetometer. Instructional video. Composition 2. The instrument is composed of main components, such as the main machine, probe, silicone oil damping. The usage of silicone oil. Connect the other end to the side line. Click Project on the main interface to enter the project interface and perform project-related operations. Click New Project to create a new project file. There was no interference beside the measurement area. After obtaining a reference value at the stable position of the magnetic field, the test began. Add the project name after obtaining the reference value. Tap OK, then tap Measurement to enter the measurement interface. After measuring the first point, move the instrument to the next point. After completing the measurement at the second point, proceed to the next point. Repeat the previous operation to complete the measurement. Repeat the previous operation to complete the measurement. Repeat the previous measurement operation until all measurements are completed. On the main screen, click View to enter the viewing interface. To view the data of a single point. This is to delete data. Click to delete data of a single point. This is to delete all data. Click OK to delete all data. Then here is the output. Connect the USB drive to this interface. Output and import to USB drive.
Okay.
Align the white dot on the transmission line with the white dot on the instrument. Then insert. Insert the other end into the USB port. Click the white input box labeled Enter Survey Line Number. A numeric keypad will pop up for entering the required survey line number. Click Enter to complete the input. Below is the option to transmit all measurement data. Click to proceed. Technical notes.
Okay.
This is through Bluetooth. Connect with the mobile app through Bluetooth. Export Bluetooth. And export to the phone. Then here are the settings. Settings. The screen brightness. This date. Then click Settings. Mobile app operation instructions. Devices running Android 4.4 or later with Bluetooth capability, phones, tablets, are required. Internet connection via Wi-Fi or wireless network is necessary for software download. Copy the link and open it in the browser. Scan the QR code below to open the download page. Click to Download app. To download and install according to the prompts after the download is completed. Enter mobile number. Get the verification code and log in. Click Folder to view all files. Transferred field data and preset demo data will be displayed in separate folders sorted by timestamp. A blue indicator indicates that the data has not been uploaded yet. When it turns gray after clicking, it indicates that the data has been successfully uploaded.